Dear students, in the last class, that is, in the last video, I told about the basics of alligation and mixture. Alligation and mixture is completely related to business topic. Now we are going to see alligation and mixture sums based on profit and loss. Based on profit and loss. So now let us see the question. A dishonest shopkeeper professes to sell milk at cost price, but he mixes water and thereby gaining 20%. A dishonest shopkeeper sells milk at cost price, but he mixes water and thereby gaining 20%. So mostly when we go to market, some vendors, they tell us we are selling you at cost price. We are not getting any profit or loss. So we bought this say for about 10 rupees per liter. I am selling you at the same rate 10 rupees per liter. So we are not getting any gain or loss. We are selling to you at cost price. But here it's a mixture of milk and water. So but he mixes water in the milk. Therefore automatically he will get gain. So here he is getting a gain of 20%. So what is the percentage of water in the mixture? This is the first question. So you all know that water is free of cost. So let us write now water and milk. Water cost is 0 per liter. If there is a pump, okay, I'll take water from the pump or somewhere else where it is free of cost. Okay. Now we don't have the milk cost, let it be 1 per liter. Standard unit price 1 per liter, 1 rupee. Now what happens? Let us see the cost price of the milk. I am selling the milk at cost price. So what is the cost price? 100 by 100 plus gain into selling price. We have this formula, that is 100 by, here we are gaining 20%, 100 plus gain is 120, 100 plus 20 into 1 because selling price is 1. So we are getting, that is nothing but 0 0 get cancelled, to 5 to 6, 5 by 6 of a rupee. So now the cost price is 5/6. Okay, 5 by 6. So water cost is 0, milk cost is 1, and the mean price is 5 by 6. You know, in the method of alligation, we go for cross subtraction. That is, this is nothing but 1 minus 5 by 6. 1 minus 5 by 6 is 1 by 6. That is 6 minus 5. 1 minus 5 by 6 is 1 by 6. This is nothing but 5 by 6 minus 0 is 5 by 6. So now the ratio is 1:5. 6 get cancelled. Now what he says in the question, what is the percentage of water? This is water, then this is milk. So 1 divided by 5 plus 1 is 6 into 100 for the sake of percentage. So we get 100 by 6, that is 50 by 3. 50 by 3 means, you know, it is nothing but 16 2 by 3%. So we have 16 2 by 3% water and remaining part is milk. So hope it's clear. As the water cost is 0, we can take it directly as 0. Milk cost we don't have, so we're taking it as 1 standard unit price. So as he's selling at cost price, we are trying to find the cost price. Cost price is nothing but 100 by 100 plus gain into selling price. That is 100 by 120. He's gaining 20% here into 1 rupee. That is nothing but 5/6. So as per mixture and alligation, we'll write the mean price here. So 1 minus 5 by 6. 1 by 6. 5 by 6 minus 0. 5 by 6. That is 1:5. Finally we got water percentage is 1 by 6 into 100, that is 16 by 3%. Let us see the second question. Let us see the second question. The question says, the second question says, in what ratio a grocer must mix two varieties of tea powder worth 60 per kg and 80 per kg. We have two types of tea powders, two varieties. One is 60 per kg, one is 80 per kg. In what ratio we have to mix the two, that's all. So that by selling the mixture at 70 rupees per kg, he may gain 40%. This is the question. Here we are not interested in cost price. Why? Because we want only ratio. As we have seen in the previous model, that is alligation and mixture basics. As said, just find the ratio. So let us see here. In what ratio grocer must mix two varieties of tea powder? One is 60 per kg, one variety of tea powder. Second variety of tea powder is 80 per kg. He is selling on an average 70 per kg. So if we take the difference, this is nothing but 80 minus 70 is 10, 70 minus 60 is 10, that is 1:1. 10 ones are 1. So we have to mix in 1:1 ratio. Here we are not interested here in the cost price. Okay, he is gaining 40%, but as per the question he is asking only the ratio. Let us see the next one. The question says, a milkman claims to sell milk at cost price. As I told, the businessman will always tell we are selling to you at the price which we have bought. Suppose it is 100 per liter. I have taken something. I am giving the same price for you, 100 per liter. I am not getting any profit in this. Just I am selling because you are a known person to me. But that is not true. Here, if you say a milkman claims to sell milk at cost price, but he mixes some water. So he's making a profit 25%, but he never tells that I'm getting a profit of 25% or so. He tells I'm not getting any profit or loss, my dear customer. So what is the percentage of milk in the mixture? So the same story repeats here. Let us see. A milkman claims to sell the milk at cost price, but he mixes some water. So you know that water and milk are there in the solution. So we know that water cost is 0 per liter. And milk cost is not given here. It is 1. Okay. So now we have to find the cost price. You know that 100 by 100 plus gain into selling price. 100 by 100 plus gain into selling price. That is nothing but 100 by. We are getting a profit of 25%. Is 125 into 1. Because we do not know the price of the milk either. Okay, 1 per liter. So there is nothing but 25 fours are 25 fives are into 1. That is 4 by 5. So we have 0, 1 and 4 by 5. So 1 minus 4 by 5. This is 1 by 5 is to 4 by 5 minus 0 is 4 by 5. So we are getting a ratio. We are getting a ratio. Here I am writing this side. 1:5. If I get cancel 4. 1:4. Now what is the question? What is the percentage of milk in the mixture? This is water ratio. This is milk ratio. So milk is 4 parts out of 5. 4 plus 1, 5 into 100. That is nothing but 420. That is 5 2s are 20. So 80%. So 80% we have milk in this and 20% water we have. That is why the customer is unable to identify it is completely pure milk or some water is added. So let us see the next one. Let us see the next. milkman, same. Milkman buys some milk. So cost price of milk is 9 per liter, and he added water. A milkman's cost price of milk. So he purchased milk, okay, for 9 per liter. He adds some water to it, and after adding water, he sells it at 12 per liter. Okay, no issues. So he is gaining 25%. So what is the percentage of water in the mixture now? What is the percentage of water? Previously we have seen the percentage of milk. Now he is asking the percentage of water. You know that there is water and there is milk. A milkman cost price of milk is 9 per liter. After adding water, he sells it at 12 per liter. So what I am going to do here, water cost is 0, cost price of milk is 9 per liter. You know that he is selling the mixture. So again, if I find the cost price here, so 100 by 100 plus gain into, he sells it at 12 per liter, right? He sells it at 12 per liter. So therefore automatically what happens now? So this is nothing but 25 fours are 25 fives into 12, that is 12 fours are 48 by 5, that is 5 nines are 45, 4 6 fours and 48, 30, 5 6 are 30. I am getting 9.6. So what I did is selling the mixture at 12 per liter. So we have to find the cost price. Cost price is 100 by 125 into 12 per liter, that is SP. So we are getting 4 by 5 into 12, that is nothing but 48 by 5, 5 nines of 45.6. So if we take the difference, this is 0.6, this is 9.6. That is nothing but I am writing this side, 6 is to 96. That is 6 is 96. 1 is to 16. 16 6 are 96. 16 6 are 96. Now what is the percentage of water? 1 out of 17 into 100. We get 100 by 17%. 100 by 17. Okay. You can solve 100 by 17, that is 17 5s are 85, 150, again 5.8 like this first. Hope it's clear. We're going for one more. Let us see this question. A man purchases 2 houses at 30 lakhs. Now we have houses around 60 to 70 lakhs, but just for the sake of question. So a man buys 2 houses at 30 lakhs. What is the cost of each house? We don't know. 2 houses cost is 30 lakhs. On selling one house, he gains 20%, and by selling the second house, he gains 10%. On the whole transaction, he gains 5%. So here, on selling one house, he gains 20%. On selling the second house, he gains 10%. On the whole, he gained 5%. The question is, what is the price of each house? What is the price of each house? So you know that using alligation and mixture, we are going to solve this. So one house selling, he gains. So let it be H1 and H2. One house, he'll get 20% gain. By selling the second house, getting 10% gain. both are in percentage. Overall, you're getting getting 5% gain. This is percentage, this is percentage, this is percentage. So when you take the difference, this is 5 and this is 15. So we're getting 1:3. Then automatically total 30 lakhs. So 30 lakhs, both houses. So 30 by 4 ratio, that is 4 7s are 28, 7.5 lakh. So first house is 1 into 7.5, second house is 3 into 7.5. So this is nothing but 7.5 lakh. This is nothing but 22.5 lakh. So overall it is 30 lakhs. So like this we can solve some of the questions using allegation method. Some more questions of this model we will see in the next video. Thank you.